Now we'll discuss levels of artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence can be divided into three main levels, that is artificial narrow intelligence, artificial general intelligence, and artificial super intelligence. These are the three levels of artificial intelligence. The first one is artificial narrow intelligence. Artificial narrow intelligence is actually, it is also called narrow AI or weak AI. So, not artificial narrow intelligence is a goal oriented actually. It is designed to perform singular task. Although the machine is seen to be intelligent, they function under minimal limitations. It will be having some limitations. So thus are referred to as weak AI. That is why we call it as weak AI. So it does not mimic the human intelligence. It simulates human behavior based on certain parameters. Okay. It will not have complete human intelligence, but it will be having human behavior based on certain parameters. Narrow AI makes use of natural language processing. NLP is nothing but natural language processing to perform the task. Okay, so this is evident in technologies that are such as chatbots. Chatbots, natural language processing is used, and speech recognition systems such as Siri. We have seen, no? There also natural language processing will be used so that it will able to understand the language properly, and it able to give the answers properly. Okay, and making use of deep learning allow you to personalize your experience, such as visual assistants who stores your data to make your future experience better. So because of deep learning, what happens is it is allowed to learn, uh, it will learn, whatever we speak, from that only it will learn, so that in the future it is able to give the responses better. Okay, the examples of artificial narrow intelligence include Siri, Alexa, IBM Watson, self-driving cars, facial recognition softwares, email spam filters, prediction tools, etc. These are the examples of artificial narrow intelligence. Then we'll discuss what is artificial general intelligence. Artificial general intelligence refers to the concept through which machines can mimic the human intelligence while showcasing the ability to apply their intelligence to solve the problems. Whereas in the previous case, the machines does not have human intelligence, but it is having human behavior only for limited case. Whereas in this case, the machines will have human intelligence, and it is able to show the human intelligence to solve the problems. Okay, and this a strong AI, deep AI is still in the research. Okay, it is not yet have developed. So these are the properties of deep AI, that is recognition, recall, hypothesis test, imagination, analogy, implications. These are the properties of deep AI. The people are still working on this. So artificial general intelligence, this AI is not yet developed. It is under process. Then we have artificial super intelligence. This is also called super intelligence. It is known as the level where the machine suppresses human capabilities and becomes self-aware. Okay, so then it is called artificial super intelligence. So this concept has been used to several films, science fiction novels, wherein robots are capable of developing their feelings, emotions, can overrun the humanity itself. Okay, so in some movies we can see this. Okay, so the robots can develop their feelings, and they are overrunning the humanity. Okay, so it would be able to build the emotions of its own, and hypothetically be better than humans at art, sports, maths, science, and more. So the decision making ability of super intelligence would be greater than that of human being itself. Okay. So the concept of artificial super intelligence is still unknown to us. There is no research going on this. Okay. Its consequence cannot be guessed, and impact cannot be measured yet. Okay. So these are the three types of three levels of artificial intelligence. That is artificial narrow intelligence, artificial general intelligence, artificial super intelligence. Artificial narrow intelligence is goal oriented, okay, and there is some limitations on this. Okay, that is why it is called weak AI. Artificial general intelligence will be mimicking the human intelligence. Okay, so we have discussed that the research is still going on this area, and artificial super intelligence will suppress the humanity. It is able to create its own. Robots can able to create its own feelings. Okay, so it is that is the super intelligence. These are the three levels of artificial intelligence.